The 2023 Volkswagen ID Buzz, a retro take on the electric future. The ID Buzz is a nostalgic yet futuristic electric minivan that brings back the iconic Microbus design with modern innovations. With its unique blend of retro styling and cutting-edge technology, Volkswagen has successfully created a vehicle that appeals to both fans of the original and tech-savvy drivers alike. In this review, we will take a closer look at the performance, design, and features, which has generated significant excitement since its debut. Upon first glance, the design immediately evokes memories of the classic Volkswagen Microbus with its V-shaped front fascia and two-tone paint job. The LED headlights and taillights, along with the illuminated VW logo, give the vehicle a futuristic look that complements the retro-inspired design. Its compact yet spacious interior offers comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers, and the flexible seating configurations make it an excellent choice for families or those who require versatility in their daily commutes. The ID Buzz is built on Volkswagen's modular electric drive platform, which enables impressive performance and efficiency. Powered by a rear-mounted electric motor, the ID Buzz delivers an estimated 201 horsepower and 229 pound-feet of torque, making it a fun and engaging drive. The rear-wheel drive configuration also ensures a smooth and stable ride, while the regenerative braking system allows for efficient energy recuperation during deceleration. When it comes to range, the ID Buzz doesn't disappoint. Equipped with an 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the vehicle is estimated to have a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and style. The fast charging capabilities allow for an 80% charge in just 30 minutes using a DC fast charger, making longer trips more convenient and reducing anxiety about finding a charging station. It features a host of advanced technology that makes it a standout in its class. The minimalist yet functional interior is highlighted by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch infotainment display. The intuitive infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, ensuring the vehicle stays current with the latest software enhancements. Safety is a priority for the ID Buzz, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. Features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist ensure a secure driving experience. Additionally, the available augmented reality head-up display projects vital information directly onto the windshield, minimizing distractions and allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road. One of the most innovative features is its autonomous driving capabilities. With the optional ID Pilot system, the vehicle can operate at Level 3 autonomy, allowing drivers to relinquish control during certain driving situations, such as highway cruising. While the technology is still in its infancy, it showcases Volkswagen's commitment to shaping the future of mobility and making driving more convenient and safer for all. In conclusion, the Volkswagen ID Buzz is an exciting and innovative addition to the electric vehicle market. Its unique combination of retro design, advanced technology, and impressive performance make it a compelling choice for those looking to embrace the future of transportation. With its spacious interior, long-range capabilities, and commitment to safety, the ID Buzz is set to make waves in the automotive world and bring the charm of the classic Microbus into the 21st century. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.